I'm Brian Bailey. I'm the Director of Media at Prestonwood Baptist Church here in Plano, Texas. We had the ability to demo the Epson EBPU2116W projectors in our facility, and you need to hear about how this went. It was a phenomenal experience. The space that we were looking at using these projectors in is kind of like a worst case scenario situation. It's a gym that splits in half to be used in two separate gyms. It's got natural light coming into it. It has gym lights in it. It's used during the week every single day and afternoon for the school and for camps that come in and use it. And on Wednesday nights and the weekends, it's our children's space for kindergarten through third graders. So when the opportunity came up to try out these Epson projectors, we're like, sure. I mean, projector sure seems like it would be easy. It's just hard to imagine getting what we need bright enough for a good enough price that makes sense for that space. When Epson came out to do the demo, I think the first thing that kind of surprised me was they had only been there like an hour or an hour and a half, and I walked in and the blend was perfect. Everything matched across all three projectors and it looked fantastic. For us at Prestonwood, as we continue to replace older technology that's in many of our venues, when it comes to projectors, every projector that we had up until this point was still a lamp-based projector. I have a larger chunk of money in my budget than I would prefer to have for projector maintenance every single year. Going to a laser projector, which these Epson projectors are, immediately slashes all of that out of our budget. So for the next 20,000 hours of its use, we're not touching it for the most part. You know, one of the concerns I had going with projection in a space like this, how good is the image going to look? Laser technology alone gives you a color brightness that we didn't have before laser. But these projectors with the contrast ratio, it looks like it's just popping out of the wall at you. If I'm in a church that's looking for a solution for content being shown in that space, I've really got to give some credence to what the laser projectors can do for us. There was just kind of this relief of finally we have what we've been envisioning, and something that is finally great for the kids, something that the parents can be proud of, something that we can be unapologetic about. The reaction overall has been just extremely, not just positive, but very excited.